Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana, lesson number 23. Leina lame ke Tian,
Lame leina ke Mpho,
and we are here to teach you Setswana. So, Mpho, au siame,
ke siame rra au siame.
ki siame. And to the listeners, at le siame bagaetso,
Bagaetsho ba siame.
a resimole.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say later.
All right, Mpho, we're continuing with general health. So, how would I say I'm feeling sick?
Ke ikutlwa ke lwala.
All right. Now, I remember ke ikutlwa, meaning to feel. Okay. I feel ke lwala. Lwala being sick or
Sick
Or
or
ill.
go bobola, yes.
Or,
Ill.
yes, or you can say bobola, right?
Yes.
All right. Now, how would I say I have vomited?
Ke tlhatsitse.
Ke tlatsitse.
Yes.
All right. What is the verb for to vomit?
Go tlhatsa.
Go tlatsa.
Yes.
Okay. And I have the shivers or I have the shakes. How would I say that?
Ke a roroma.
All right. Ke aroroma.
Yes.
The verb being go roroma.
Perfect.
Correct.
Or ke a roromela.
Oh, all right. So you can use either one of the two.
Yes.
Okay. And I can't sleep. How would I say that?
Ga ke kgone go robala.
All right. Ga ke kgone go
Yes.
robala.
Yes.
Okay. If I can't eat,
Ga ke kgone go ja.
all right. That's easy enough. Ga ke kgone go ja. All right. Go ja meaning the verb to eat.
To eat.
Okay. And when I can't swallow, if I can't swallow,
Ga ke kgone go kometsa.
ga ke kgone, got that, I'm not able. Go kometsa
Yes.
is the verb for to swallow.
To swallow.
Okay, I remember. Now, to breathe, what is to breathe?
Go hema.
Hema.
Yes. Hema.
Go hema.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, like a breath.
Like a breath.
All right. Now, if I can't breathe, how would I say that?
Ga ke kgone go hema.
Ga ke kgone go hema.
Yes.
All right. That's simple. Now, do you have something for it? Imagine I'm standing in a pharmacy. I'm asking the pharmacist, do you have something for...
Flu.
Yes, for flu. How would I say that?
A ona le sengwe sa go.
Okay, and then whatever you want to ask for.
Yes. For.
All right. Now, I got the nale, because if I have something, it's ke nale.
Yes.
Okay. If you have something, it's o nale.
Yes.
And when you make it a question, you add the a.
Yes.
A o nale.
Yes.
Okay. Now, sengwe, I remember being something.
Perfect.
So, a o nale sengwe. Now, this sago is interesting. Johan and I spoke about this, and we'll cover this in the grammar section, because in Setswana, you can't really say, do you have something for? That for isn't really translated back into Setswana. So
Yes.
it actually means, do you have something of to, and then a verb.
Yes.
But like I said, we'll get back to this. Now, going back on last week's lesson, if I were to say my head hurts, do you have something to help? I'm going to try this. Tlhogo yame ebo tlhoko a o na le sengwe sa go...
Sa go nthusa.
Ah, okay. Ntusa. Okay, what does that ntusa mean?
You remember go thusa is to help.
Oh, do you have something for to help?
Yes. For to help.
Ah, okay. And then the N, which is the object morpheme,
Yes.
comes before the verb. So ntusa is to me help. Is
Yes.
that correct? Help me. Something for to help me.
Perfect.
I'm getting it. It's a little bit difficult at the beginning, but you get used to it. So, is there a word for dizziness in Setswana?
Yes. We have a word sididi.
Sididi.
Yes.
All right. So, if I am dizzy, by the way, how would I say that?
Ke na le sididi.
Ah, I have dizziness.
Yes.
Ke na le sididi.
Yes.
All right. And is there a word for sunburn?
Not literally, but we look at the background
Okay.
of a sun and burning.
Okay.
Sun, it's a letsatsi in Setswana, right?
Yes, I remember. It's like a day.
Yes.
It's spelled the same, sounds the same, two different meanings.
Yes.
Letsatsi.
In context.
Okay.
And then we have burn. Something that is burned or burning is go fisa.
Gofisa.
Yes.
To burn.
So, go fisiwa, ne? To be burned.
Okay.
Ne? Go fisiwa ke letsatsi.
All right.
To be burned,
By the sun.
the sun.
Okay.
Yes.
That's interesting. Gofisiwa ke letsatsi. So can I say ke na le gofisiwa ke letsatsi?
Not.
Not.
Ke fisitswe ke letsatsi.
Okay, so I was burned by the sun.
Yes.
That's interesting. Ke fisitswe.
Yes.
Okay.
Ke letsatsi.
Okay. Obviously conjugating the verb gofisa accordingly.
Yes.
All right. So let's say, for instance, you're in the pharmacy. The pharmacist gives you some pills to drink. All right. How would he say, for instance, take that, referring to the pills, 3 times per day?
Okay. Tsa seo. Makgetlo. A le mararo mo letsatsing.
Okay, so it's a big sentence. Let's pick that apart. So if I demand you to take something, what's the verb for to take again?
Go tsaya.
Go tsaya.
Yes.
Okay, so if I command you to take something, it's tsaya.
Yes. Tsaya.
Tsaya. Okay. And obviously pointing to something that's not too far away, but at the other side of the room, it's seo, correct?
Seo.
So
Sele.
tsaya seo.
Yes.
Okay. Further back would be tsele.
Tsele. Yes.
And then you said makgetlo.
Makgetlo in Setswana. Times 3 per day.
Okay, so makgetlo is the word for times,
Yes.
not like nako means time. This is like 2 times, 3 times.
Yes.
And what I'm picking up in Setswana, you have to flip it around. It's times 3, not 3 times. Is that correct?
Perfect.
Okay, and then obviously mararo.
Mararo from a word taru.
Yes, the number 3 is taro,
Yes.
but now in context, because of makgetlo, it
Yes.
became mararo.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
So if it were times per 5, what would it be?
Makgetlo a le matlhano.
Okay, because 5 is klano,
Yes.
but in this context, in the sentence, it would become matlano.
Yes.
And then obviously, letsatsi being a day,
Yes.
but now it's changed to mo letsatsing, which basically means in a day or on a day.
Perfect.
Now, if I were to say take this, I have the pills in my hand, take this two times per day, how would I say that?
Tsaya se makgetlo a le mabedi mo letsatsing.
Okay, so now the seo has become se,
Yes.
because you're talking about this.
This.
And now I actually caught pedi became mabedi.
Yes.
All right, so ale mabedi and mo letsatsing
Yes.
per day.
Yes.
In your sake, could I also just say take this twice a day?
Twice. This is interesting. Tsaya se gabedi mo letsatsing.
Oh, yes. I remember in lesson 10, Johan and I spoke about using this cha together with numerals to create twice, thrice, etc., using it as an adverb.
Yes.
Okay. Tsaya se gabedi mo letsatsing. So
Yes.
that's another way of saying it.
Yes.
All right.
If it was once a day, tsaya se gangwe mo letsatsing.
Okay. Gangwe. Tsaya
Ngwe.
se.
Gangwe.
So this would-
Gangwe from nngwe, pedi, tharo.
That's right. So
Yes.
ungwe became gangwe,
Yes.
making it once. So would thrice then be gararo?
Perfect.
Okay, interesting. Now, obviously, when you are given pills, you need to know if you have to take them before or after eating. So, how would I say before eating?
Pele oja.
Pele oja. Pele being the word for before, correct?
Yes.
And before sleeping, what would that be?
Pele o robala.
All right, so before o robala. Now, this o refers to you,
Yes.
correct? Okay.
Yes.
So what you're actually saying is before you sleep
Yes.
or before you eat.
Before you eat.
Okay, interesting. And if it's after eating, how would I say that?
Morago ga go ja.
All right. So morago being the word for after.
Yes.
Morago. And now you lost me because shouldn't I be able to say morago o ja?
No. Academically so, you have to write it this way. Morago ga go ja.
Okay, and after sleeping, how would you say that?
Morago ga go robala.
Morago ga go robala.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so how would I say I have cut myself?
Ke etshigile.
Ke etshigile.
Yes.
All right. What's the verb for to cut?
Go sega.
Okay, go sega obviously changed into the past tense, and now it's I to myself have cut.
Yes.
And I have burned myself.
Ke ipisitse.
Ke ipisitse.
Yes.
Okay, what's the verb for to burn?
Go fisa.
Oh, yes, I remember. The verb for to burn is gofisa.
Yes.
And now you've made it reflexive. You burn yourself. That's where this I comes in.
Yes.
And when you combine the I and the F, it changes to IPH, ipisa.
Perfect.
Ipisitse being the past tense.
Yes.
Okay. How would I say I'm pregnant?
Ke imile.
Ke imile.
Yes.
Right?
To be pregnant.
To be pregnant is
Go
imile.
ima.
Okay. Go ima is to be pregnant.
Yes.
Okay. But if I'm pregnant, it changes to ke imile.
Yes.
Okay. If you're pregnant,
U imile.
okay. If the pharmacist wanted to ask me, where does it hurt? How would he say that?
Go botlhoko kae.
Go botloko kai.
Yes.
Okay, now I got botloko is the word for pain or to hurt, and kai is where.
Where?
But you added the go,
Yes.
and that's in this context that would be translated as
It.
it.
Yes.
It hurts where.
Yes.
I understand.
Yes.
All right. And is there a word for pills in Setswana?
We call it dipilisi.
Dipilisi.
Yes.
All right. And one pill would be, what would one pill be?
Pilisi.
Okay. Pilisi is one pill, and the plural is dipilisi.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, I think we should stop it there for today. I hope this has been useful to the listeners. I've learned quite a bit. And I just want to remind everyone to go to the website 20minutesetswana.co.za. That's 20minutesetswana.co.za. Check out all the packages we have to offer, as well as the Abuti Syllabus for children, which includes animation and songs, etc. So, until next time, go fitlela nako e etlang.
20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say, yay!